was in a state of rapture, looking at her, from looking at her.
A nice little tune indeed, that. Right up next, guys, we have a track for you by a band called Discord. They're from Liverpool. They're hard rock, heavy metal. The band consists of Michael Hughes on guitar. We have Chris Ellis on drums. We have Elliot... Oh, I'm not going to pronounce that. We have Elliot on bass and Hannah Dunsmore on vocals. They are a hard rock band from Liverpool. They've been gigging since September and have been into recording studios and things like that, creating their own original material. The band are influenced by artists such as Avenged Sevenfold, System of a Down, Muse, Korn, Bullet for My Valentine, Slipknot, Metallica and Pinkly Smooth. The track they've sent me in to play tonight, guys, is called Spade Feet. A pretty heavy little number, this, with some great power chords. It's hardly Pantera, especially with the very subtle female vocal on top of it. It's more like a bit Soundgarden-ish for me. Like it's heavy, but it's subtle. Some great guitar techniques going on throughout the track. Also, great drum work with a nice catchy melodic bass in parts. The recording, I think, lets it down slightly, as I can hear lots of stuff in the background mix that could have been highlighted and brought to the surface. Just my opinion, guys. A track, though, really good by all accounts. This is Discord with Spade Feet. Have a go with this.
missing the evidence of my rising lunacy. When scared, my actions are reckless. Over time, I've learned to accept this. Things here outside for parents, but there's no more to be found.
Are you in a band or a solo act based in the Northwest? If you would like your music played on Round Sound Radio, please send your MP3 to us. roundsound@inbox.com. Sorted.
You're amazing.
Righty, up next we have a track from Anne-Marie Howard. She is from North Wales. Her genre is indie folk. The band consists of Anne-Marie Howard on guitar, bass and vocals. We have Alistair Lightwood on cello and Joe Roberts on drums. Anne now lives and performs her material in Liverpool, either as a solo artist or with a recently formed band. Performance highlights to date include the International Pop Overthrow Festival, Matthew Street Festival, and the Bandstand Marathon National Event. Other acts who have contributed to Anne's work include Carl McCann, we have David Thomas, Danny McCormick and Wayne Chappell. The track I'm going to play for you tonight, guys, is called Master. Now, I've got a bit of a funny one going on here because I've got a track in my playlist and it's got Master and then it's got It's All There to Realise. So this could be wrong. If I play it and it's wrong, I'll swap it with the tune and I'll get it on after that tune in that order. Okay. The track I'm going to play tonight is called Master. Very acoustic feel to it from the off this with a very original sound. Vocal is nice too, maybe a little bit low in the mix. Lyrics are great and it brings a really good story to the table. Drum work is pretty decent also within this track. I hear lots of great stuff in this track, but I do think it's crying out for another trip into the studio. Potentially though, it is a brilliant tune. This is Anne-Marie Howard and I hope this is Master. all the right songs, right around town, round town, round town. We play the best tunes, all the right songs, right around town radio. All your classics, touching the new, unsound original music. Add a little humor, add a little madness. Welcome to Round Town Radio. Okay, we've got Scott Gilbert from the Garrison on the blow with us. Scott, how are you, mate?
I'm very well, yeah.
I'm good, thank you very much. Whereabouts do you lads hail from?
We're pretty much scattered all around Lancashire, really. I'm from Burnley myself. John, our guitarist, is from Preston. Chris, our bassist, Chris O'Keefe, he's from Liverpool. And Alex, he's from St. Anne's, so we're just kind of dotted about, really.
Yeah, a bit all over the place. And obviously we have you in the band, Scott, but who else is the band made up of?
Myself, I'm the drummer. Chris O'Keefe is our bassist. John Carter's our lead guitarist. And Alex Bolger is our lead vocalist, and he plays rhythm guitar as well.
Excellent. And yeah, you're the drummer of the band, are you?
I am, yeah.
Is it true that all drummers are a bit nuts? Are you a bit nuts?
Yeah, well, once the music gets going, you know, the get out music, once it grips you, go off on a bit of a tangent, yeah. I think so, yeah.
Big time. And how long have you all been together?
It's just coming up about a year, actually. Like, when we initially got together, there were just the three of us. Then myself, Chris and Alex. I put a bit of an ad out on a musician's website. Alex and Chris responded. So we wrote about half a dozen songs with the three of us. Didn't actually do any live performing. Once our writing started getting a bit more complicated, we just felt we needed that extra bit of a weight behind the songs, really. So that's when we put out another ad and found John. After we'd been about 2 months, John joined us, and he just gave us what we needed, really, to make our songs, to get that sound that we needed, that we were looking for.
I see.